Hi beautiful people, welcome to the channel. I am Mel. Welcome back if you come back here regularly. So hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I have an unboxing. It is a PR review from Coodeals. They kindly provided this to me with a discount. I did have to pay some. I thought I was set up to be an affiliate, but I may not be. But if I do find any coupon codes, affiliate links, I will put them in the description below. But yeah, thank you Coodeals for providing this to me with a huge discount so I can review your company. And you may have seen the custom that I had from Coodeals. That is absolutely stunning and I look forward to working on it. This one, I have decided to support one of the artists, and that is Tina Diamonds. I will show it to you in a minute, but but yeah, this is only the second diamond painting I have received from Coodeals, but both times and from what I've seen from other content creators, you do get a bit of a gift. So I've got some sticker sheets, which are the DMC numbers, and some extras, alphabet there. And you can use these for your drills if you bag up into bags, or use them like after you're finished, you want to. Yeah, it says gift on there. I'm just going to ruin that. There we go. Open this up to get this cover sheet out. So if you want to save your drills after you're finished, you can put them into a bagging system and use those stickers. I think I'm going to have a number of different sets. I'm going to have a Coodeals set and Look art set, and then yeah, any other companies like DP Over that have really good drills, and I want to keep them and carry on working with those companies. So I'm going to have lots of different sets. So these are the cover sheets, and they are only one-sided, so the back is kind of shiny, if you can see there. That is the non-stick side, so you always want to place that down on top of your glue. And there's about 5 there, so that's really good. Nice. Let's have a look at Tina Diamonds. So it comes in a bag, standard plastic. Has the SKU number and the size, and it's a 50 by 50. I wanted to get it big enough, and that's where the cost came in. So the coupon that I was given was only really enough for a smaller size, but I wanted to get a bigger one so I could really see the quality. Yeah, it is poured glue, so I'm just going to roll that back the other way. Bear with me. Oh, I feel it has a nice textured kind of felt back. Not as velvety from memory as the other Coodeals one, but it's kind of feels like a paper, but maybe it's like a cotton. Yeah, that feels nice, and it's scalloped and perforated, so you get the holes in there to stop it from fraying. Yeah, it does feel like paper actually. It's not like a cotton velvet back. Oh, we're upside down. Here we go. I will just move the camera so we can get it all in. Let's do a pan. Go. It's pretty. 2 little birds in a lantern. Like beautiful lovebirds. I do love it. Yeah, so we have our item number and the size up the top. There's no branding on there. There's no Coodeals branding. But we have our little thumbnail preview picture here. And we have our beautiful colours here. We have 48. white. And we've got ABs. Oh, we've got 6 ABs there. They're going to be special to look at, aren't they? So I got this one in mind for Valentine's, but to be honest, I won't get it done before Valentine's, so it'll be here for me to do during the year and get to experience and take you on the journey with me on how it's going. We've got all of the different colours here on our, say it's a inventory sheet. So all the colours, it's nice and clear. And so we've got the colour numbers here. We've got our symbols that match our legend. And these will tell us how many drills actually go onto the painting, how many are in the bags, and then the weight of those bags. And then Coodeals have listed the number of bags, so 1 bag. So very handy, keep that handy if you need to refer to it. Look at this colour palette here, beautiful. So we've got beautiful spring blossoms, 2 birdies and a lantern. Tell me in the comments if you know what kind of birds these are, because me being down under, we have different birds here and I don't always recognise what kind of birds we have in diamond paintings. Wow, we are all kitted up, so that's awesome. It's just, I'm going to have to pause and sort out where the ABs are, but the bags will have a number, the DMC colour, I'm not sure what these 6 and an A is, I don't know, because that says a 4 and an A, but these are the numbers. Doesn't have the symbol on there, but we'll just cross check the number with the DMC colour. That'll be easier to do it over here. So bag number 2 is 159. Yeah. So you can diamond paint straight out of the bags, or you can kit up using the stickers and put these into bags. Ooh, we've got 310, but not too much. That's good. And then it comes with a toolkit. So you have 4 plates of wax, a standard tray, which is quite sturdy. It has a funnel so you can pour the drills back into your bag or into containers. We have a pen, which is nice and sparkly. Has a single placer, what looks like it could be, yeah, it says a 4 placer, and then you have another multi-placer here, which I'm trying to look for a number. It says, I can't quite read it, 7. That says 7. So very standard, but that will get the job done, and you've got a lovely squishy for comfort as well. You could easily do your diamond painting with that. I do have my own pens that I do like. I'm just going to pause and grab out the ABs and we can have a look to see where they go. They are also round drills, and by the looks of it they do look like resin, although I might be wrong because there's some ones there that do have little divots, so let's say they're acrylic, but yeah, they look really good. Nice uniform sizing. It's great. Thanks, Coodeals. And here are our beautiful ABs. Very soft pastel-y colours. They are lovely. And we have 3774, which is kind of like a peachy colour. It's lovely. 3378, The browny, light brown. No, actually this is more of a peach colour, isn't it? So that's a light brown and that's a peach. Could these be peach trees? They could be. That is pretty. 3824 AB. And we have like an apricot colour. They could be apricot trees. 3827 AB. And a slightly darker brown. A purple kind of hint. Which is 758 AB. AB stands for Aurora Borealis. New Zealand, or down under, we have the southern lights as opposed to the northern lights, and they are Aurora Australis. Oh, that is pretty, pretty. That's kind of a soft pink. 760 AB. Love it. Let's have a look and see where they go. Now, it took me a while to figure out where the ABs went. And this painting is very, very confetti heavy, as you can expect for the nature of it. It is a very detailed picture. So, we have 3774 AB, which is our number 43. And that is the symbol. It's kind of like two lines like that. And I can see them here in the floral blossom part. It will be kind of scattered all around these areas. 44 is an up arrow, which is this beautiful brown. And they are... Yes, I've lost where they were. Yes, so there's a lot of this one around here as well. I saw some up arrows in the lantern here, but I did see some over here as well. I just can't find them now. 45 is a tick. And there's a lot of ticks in here. 46. It's like a little dumbbell symbol. They are around here in these lighter brown areas. And is it the Omega symbol? 47 is all through the lantern, I believe. I'm not going to see it now, am I? Lost it. Where did you go? Why did I think you were over here? Yeah, because you are. You're right here. And you're on that side? No. They'll be scattered around too. I didn't actually see any ABs in the birds. I'm hoping there are. And then, did I say? I did say 44, 48. It's your little hazard symbol. They are through here, these areas, just so pretty. It's going to look really nice. Let's have a look at the drill field. Let's zoom in, shall we? Do it without docking the camera too much. It is beautiful and clear. Beautiful and clear. So we do have some little guide circles around some of the colours. It's okay. It is looking lovely. I love it. Thank you again to Coodeals for providing this to me. And I look forward to working on it and hopefully working with you in the future. I do like it. And I apologise for taking so long to unbox it. Yeah. we know what's been going on in the world of our household with bereavements and yeah, but we're okay. Everyone is okay. This was a 50 by 50, and that in New Zealand dollars is $34.17. I will put in the description the cost in US dollars and pound, because yeah, the website is in pounds, so you just select your currency. If they ship to your country, they'll have the different currencies, and they do have free shipping for orders over £50. I did have to pay for shipping because this was the only canvas I ordered, and at the moment they have a site-wide discount of 15%, which is awesome. So yeah, do take that opportunity. They've just launched some beautiful new canvases, and they're very whimsical, or like fairy style, I think, a lot of them. They are pretty. Hi, Editing Mal here. Please go and support Tina Diamonds. I will link to her YouTube channel down below as well. And huge thank you to my members on the channel. I am running through their channel names on the screen. Please go and support them. And please hit the like button and subscribe if my content resonates with you. But yeah, thank you very much for checking out this video, and I hope you're doing well, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Thanks. Bye. Take care.